excited to start our Wednesday by doing an unboxing of one of our famous treatment here in Lueur. But first, hello to those who join our Lueur membership. What?
Is it snowy?
Snowy yung sinabi ko. Anong sabi ko?
Is it
Chilly?
sunny?
Hello everyone, it's a chilly and snowy day here in Edmonton. However, we're so excited to start our Wednesday by doing our unboxing of one of our famous treatment here in Lueur. But first, hello to those, ayaw mo sa, nag-start kasi sa,
Ano ka na, di mo na alam.
due to our popular demand, we decided to get another machine so we can cater those friends, couples, and siblings who came together for a Lueur celebrity facial. So I'll start from the smallest box to the biggest one. And Sabrina will join me here to help me undo the unboxing. Pangit. Kasi nagaling ako.
Ayoko niya, ang pahan.
Okay.
Saan na lang mo?
Okay. Blooper.
Scene 3, take 1.
Ayoko niya, ang pahan.
Okay.
Saan na lang mo?
Okay. Blooper. The smallest box usually became with, so I just want to show them this one situation, right? So as you can see, this is the Neuro Bright. This is the Neuro Revive. So this is the original one, right, Sabrina?
The classic.
That's the classic, and then we have the
Premium.
yeah. So this is the premium. We have the Oxy Illuminate. So this is the one, the carbon one, and then. Okay, ulitin mo daw, William. Loko-loko pa. Ulitin. Back. Kamali ka. So this one, Sabrina, is our marketing materials, right? And this is what we're so excited about. So can you get the marketing materials? So this is what I'm talking earlier. Can you listen? Okay, this is the ultrasound, and then so this is good. The ultrasound is good for tripolar, is good for tightening and firming. But ultrasound, if you have problem like double chin or some areas here at your cut mga William. No, I don't want them to use. So this one, Sabrina, is our marketing materials, right? And this is what we're so excited about. So can you get the marketing materials? So this is what I'm talking earlier. Can you listen? Okay, this is the ultrasound, and then so this is good. The ultrasound is good for tripolar, is good for tightening and firming. But ultrasound, if you have problem like double chin or some areas here at your cut mga William. No, I don't want them to use it. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching our unboxing. But before we go, since every one of us has a New Year's resolution, so if your New Year's resolution is to have good skin, because having a good skin doesn't just happen, it needs to be invested, right? So if you don't want to have face tune anymore, like what else up? What do they do? Big filters.
With the snow app. You need to come here. Here's the Lord.
Yeah, book for a premium Lueur celebrity facial. As the saying goes, you will know your skin, where your skin right now, right, Sabrina? So tell them the sayings. Cut. Cut. Huh? So thank you for watching our unboxing today with one of our famous treatment here in Lueur. So we call it the Premium Lueur Celebrity Facial. So this is a new year right now, Sabrina, right? So everybody has a New Year resolution. So some of them, their New Year's resolution is to have a good skin, because good skin doesn't just happen, right? So if your New Year's resolution, you don't want to do filters anymore, how do you call it, Sabrina? Aside
Or
from
on Snapchat, Snapchat filters, you need to invest in your skin and have the middle. We're so excited to try out these new hand pieces on you guys.
yeah. So as I've told them, yeah, right?